Hey guys, I hope you're having a good week. I just wanted to take some time and walk you through our Google Classroom setup. First things, I'm going to show you how to get from your Google Classroom into your STEM scopes, which is going to be where a lot of the work is completed and submitted. So once you get on to Google Classroom, this is what the stream will look like, and you'll notice that there's a message from me giving you further instructions of what has to be done. When you flip over to classwork, you're going to see that we have our weekly check-ins, discussion questions, resources, and then the actual work of the week with the date and the topic. The first assignment is a Nearpod, and I'll do a separate video for the Nearpod. Then you have 5 discussion questions, and you have a density assessment, which is what you need to get to STEM Scopes to do. So you're going to open it by clicking on the density assessment. Now, I have added a link so you can go straight to Launchpad. If it doesn't work for you, you're going to have to go to the NEISD webpage and go through Launchpad there, but this one should work. So you'll click on your Launchpad link. And once you're at Launchpad, you're going to have to scroll down. Everything's in alphabetical order until you get to Science. Science is where you're going to go to STEM Scopes. And then at STEM Scopes, it's going to look something like this. When you get onto your STEM Scopes, you'll have a list of assignments. Now, we're going to be focusing this week on density. The one that we are grading, though, the assignment that you jumped into, if you remember, it says post-assessment, complete and submit the post-assessment on STEM Scopes. So now that you're on STEM Scopes, you need to find the post-assessment, and here it is, post-assessment. These other activities, these are going to be resources to study to help you review. But the post-assessment is what you need to submit so I can grade it for you. So you're going to click on that. Oops. Nope, click on our assessment. Assessment. And it will look a little different for you guys, but it will look something like this. It has 10 questions. So you will take your time and navigate through STEM Scopes and complete the activities in whatever order you'd like. Like I said, only the post-assessment is the one that needs to be submitted for a grade. The other ones are for enrichment and resources. If you have any questions about STEM Scopes, email me, comment, whatever you would like.